Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your K Jewelers credit card. In order to cancel your K Jewelers credit card, you will need to do it online. You will need to go ahead and do so by making a phone call. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and then in the URL box type in communitybank/K and search. Now pick this first link that says K Jewelers credit card from Home Community. Community Bank is the issuer of the K Jewelers credit card, so once you end up in the home page for Community, go ahead and scroll all the way down and find the customer service number at the bottom of the screen. Simply go ahead and call the number and then talk to the customer service representative that you want to cancel your credit card, and they will guide you through the process. Before canceling your credit card, make sure that you have paid off any outstanding balance on the card, and once you are done with it, a good idea to keep an eye on your statement for a few months to ensure the closure is processed correctly. So that is how you will be able to cancel your K Jewelers credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.